Hello, aspiring Papa Bears! Have you already felt the anxiety mounting if you have baby girl on the way? Or maybe she's already here. How do I engage her in play? What exactly are we supposed to discuss? I've come up with some advice for parenting girls today. To start with, spend time with her, beginning the moment she is born. This will make her more aware of your fatherly position and the fact that men play an equally significant role in a child's life as moms do. Because you are absolutely clueless or because you haven't yet felt that connection, it could feel strange at first. However, you need to develop the bond, and spending quality time together is the best way to do that. Take your little daughters for a walk while they are in their strollers so that mom can get some much needed rest and alone time. And you and your daughter have made it a habit to take walks together ever since. Next one, don't be scared to help out with the infant. Of course, playing and spending time together are wonderful, but dads should not only be present during the enjoyable activities. You must assist with caring for the baby, including changing diapers and potty training. When it comes to caring for a baby, the days of mom having to do everything are long gone. You may prepare a bottle, perform diaper changes, give her a bath, and more. And in the instance that you say, "Well, my wife is fantastic at keeping up with such things," then look at this. According to studies, parents who assist with infant responsibilities had higher oxytocin levels, which is a hormone that promotes bonding. Avoid becoming a macho father. There's no need to be the distant kind who only interacts with his daughter when she requests that he build her a dollhouse or does something else that calls for strength. Of course, you can do those things, but don't limit your fatherly responsibilities to being Bob the Builder and Fred the Fixer. Be confident in displaying your vulnerable side. Remember how you can comfort your daughter when she gets ill, holding her in your arms, reading her favorite fairy tales to her, or doing anything else that would help her feel better. Nothing compares to the truly overwhelming love of a father. Guys, don't be afraid to show some weakness. You may truly melt with kids. Next one, respond to her inquiries. Your daughter looks to you as her superhero, her rock, her guardian, and her very own encyclopedia. Be prepared for a lot of inquiries. No, I don't mean you have to know the first Disney princess name. By the way, in case she wonders, it is Snow White. But whenever she asks a question, make an effort to respond. Look it up, even if you don't know the answer. Even better would be to assist her in figuring it out on her own, particularly for how-to activities. When you have the chance, try to help her out rather than doing things for her or showing her how to do them. Her ability to solve problems will be greatly improved by this, which will be beneficial to her in the future. And additionally, even if you can't try to comprehend her, allow your daughter to express herself fully while encouraging her and participating as best as you can in the conversation when she is speaking to you in a toddler language. You can pretend to comprehend even if you most likely won't. Don't be hesitant to kiss her. One of the worries new dads could experience is this one. Is it acceptable to physically adore your daughter? Should not mom be the loving one and you be the strong, silent type? You can and should give your daughter hugs and kisses to express your affection for her. Believe me, she will think her mother loves her more. Therefore, preserving your distance will not help her feel loved more. Both of our parents should show her love equally. Allow her to pick her interests. Everyone has different idea of what daughters need to look like and do. There is the side that believes girls should dress up as a princess and play with dolls. Some people advise you to avoid the conventional method and instead invite her outside to play football with you. Listen guys, the simple solution to this argument is to let her choose her own interests. Okay, if she enjoys having tea with Barbie, let her play with Hot Wheels in the dirt if that's what she had preferred to do. Perhaps, depending on her mood, she prefers to perform one over the other. Giving her a choice will increase her independence and self-confidence. Again, when she is an adult, that information will be important. Help out around the house as a dad. Along the same lines, demonstrate to your daughter that men also clean houses, dust furniture, and other household tasks. She presumably developed her perspective mainly during your early years. Your kid should realize for herself that taking care of the domestic chores is not just something that mom does all the time, just like with infant duties. And of course, a lot of this will rely on how things are in your family. You probably won't have much time to assist around the house if you work long hours. However, if you can, it could be beneficial for a young girl to witness personally. When you complete tasks together, it is even better. The following point is important. Spend all your time to being a dad, including on weekends. Oh, I see now. You just want to sit on the couch and watch TV on the weekends after a difficult work week. However, being a parent is a full-time job with no breaks. Kids simply understand, my dad never spent time with me. Not the idea of work or work stress. And any child should never feel that way. Don't just do things with your kids when it is convenient for you. Play with them, work on projects with them, and talk to them all the time. Put her on your shoulders and carry her. You better do it before they get too heavy because, believe me, kids appreciate it. Just about your childhood, did your father ever lift you up on his shoulder? Observing everything from a different angle is the coolest experience ever. You can better understand what excites or inspires them if you try to remembering yourself when you were in their age. You can put her in your shoulder if you're going for a walk or watching a parade. Instruct her in discipline. Here is a challenging situation that every parent faces. You don't want to spoil them, but you also don't want to be a dictator when it comes to discipline. The only advice I have is to instill in your children a sense of self-control and understanding that decisions have consequences. They will act more thoughtfully as a result. And don't concentrate on the punishing aspects, such as depriving them of their toys or TV time when they misbehave. Parenting through some form of incentives structure is far much better, and it might be for minor things like cleaning their teeth before going to bed, finishing their duties, or collecting up their toys after using them. If you teach your children responsibility, you won't have to worry as much about disciplining them. Do you have any more advice for dads everywhere? Please feel free to post them in the comments section. If you discovered something new today, please like and share this video with a friend. I hope to see you on my next video. Bye bye and take care. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye!